And in the U.S., there is 1 week left for President Donald Trump and his rival, Joe Biden, to win over voters. More than 60 million Americans have already made up their minds and cast ballots either by mail or by voting in person. That is unprecedented. And so is the pandemic, of course. COVID-19 case numbers are rising in 44 states. The rolling average of daily new cases is higher than it's ever been, nearly 70,000. More than 40,000 Americans were hospitalized with COVID-19 yesterday. That's the 5th day in a row the number has been that high. And more than 225,000 Americans are known to have died from COVID-19. Yet, as Jackson Proskow reports, President Trump's campaign strategy seems to be the pandemic is no big deal.
With every ICU in El Paso, Texas now full, health officials have activated field hospitals and issued fresh stay-at-home orders and a nightly curfew.
The reasons for the new order have to do with that we're at a crisis stage.
Cases are on the rise in almost every single state.
COVID.
On the campaign trail, President Donald Trump is trying to sell a different reality as he gathers thousands of supporters at tightly packed rallies.
We're rounding the turn. You know, all they want to talk about is COVID. By the way, on November 4th, you won't be hearing so much about it.
Monday, Trump tweeted, "Cases up because we test, a fake news media conspiracy."
We not only lack a national strategy, we actually have a commander-in-chief and his entire administration who are actively trying to work against some of the most clear kind of ways to contain this virus.
There is more defiance at the White House, where 5 aides to Vice President Mike Pence have tested positive.
We're not going to control the pandemic. We are going to control the fact that we get vaccines, therapeutics, and other mitigation.
Why aren't we going to get control of the pandemic?
Because it is a contagious virus, just like the flu.
The way he's handling COVID is just absolutely, totally irresponsible.
For Joe Biden, the pandemic and the loss of at least 225,000 American lives form a closing argument about the need for a change in leadership.
He's gone round the bend. I mean, we are in real trouble.
That's still a tough sell for a large number of Americans. While 82% of Biden supporters see the coronavirus as a very important issue in the election, just 24% of Trump supporters feel the same way. With no strategy, there seems to be no changing the trajectory of the pandemic. At current rates of infection, the U.S. is on track to record nearly 500,000 new cases between now and Election Day. Donna?
Jackson Proskow in Washington, thank you.